Since the discovery of elongated skulls in Peru, several theories surfaced online claiming these skulls are of aliens or human-alien hybrids. The journal revealed the elongated skulls are not of aliens or human-alien hybrids, but instead they belong to the ancient Peru civilians. The practice of skull elongation was common in that age, but this theory has been questioned. Brian Foster, who is the director of the Paracas History Museum, has released details of DNA tests he said were carried out in conjunction with the Peruvian government, and he appears to now accept they probably were human in origin. In 2 video updates about DNA, Mr. Foster made no mention of extraterrestrials. He described how the Paracas skulls appear to share DNA links with other elongated skulls, said to be found between the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea. Mr. Foster believes the elongation is not just caused by the artificial cranial deformation, but rather by genetics, with some of the elongated skulls' cranial volume being up to 25% larger and 60% heavier than conventional human skulls. He says this means they could not have been intentionally deformed through head binding or flattening, as cranial deformation can change the shape but does not alter the volume or weight of a skull. Speaking at the Elongated Skull Symposium in Los Angeles, Mr. Foster said, "What it does show for sure is that the Paracas elongated skull people were not 100% Native American. They were a mix, or even you could say in some ways a hybrid of different people. Their blood types are very complicated as well. They should be blood type O if they're 100% Native American, and that's not the case. We are likely looking at a subspecies of humanity as regards to the Paracas. It seems to be a lot of DNA evidence from extreme Eastern Europe and extreme Western Asia. More specifically, I'm talking about the area between the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea, where ancient elongated skull people lived around 3,000 years ago. So I think we're looking at a migration pattern starting in the Caspian Black Sea area, and then entering through Persian Gulf and then moving eastwards, eventually winding up on the coast of Peru. So my theory is that there was a subspecies of human which we were going to eventually call Homo sapiens Paracas, and they were living in the area between the Caspian and Black Sea." Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.